Okay, I thought I create a video to show CoachZippy. It will be a bit easier. So first we will be allowed to create a school, and I'm asking them if it's possible to clone a school. So it's like ClickFunnels. They can get things set up quickly. Else we have to see what are the other choices we have. Okay, so just to give you an idea what this school and a course means. This is a personal school. So for example, your customers, they can have different niche. They can have one school for marketing, one school for health, one school for dog training. Okay, so it can have different schools in case they are in different niches. But I imagine everybody will be like one school, start with one school, and they can have a few courses here. So I created this course just now, okay, but just to show you here. So the school, they can do all sort of branding, change the logo, change everything. I just kept it as simple as possible. Okay, if it's the school, manage. Yeah, they can change your logo, change the font, colors, pretty standard. They can connect an existing domain. So for example, if it's going to be smarthustle.com instead of .coachzippy.com, okay, it can be ported directly, just like Member Factory. So this navigation, it's just saying if they want to build a complete website just with this, they can do so. I'm not sure if Member Factory can build a blog, but here there is an option. Although I won't really recommend to use this to build a blog. I mean, they can, but I won't recommend it. I prefer WordPress. That's me, but it's possible here. I actually even wonder how does this look like, because I have not tried it yet. So yeah. Okay, no post, no nothing, so everything empty. Okay, let's just forget about that for a short while. Wait, navigation, is there everything? Okay, social preview, just in case if somebody shares on Facebook, you get to control exactly how is it going to look like. Allow me to mute WhatsApp so I don't get distracted. All right, so instructors, if let's say there's one school, you can have a few different people teaching in a school. One course, you, if I'm not mistaken, you can have a few instructors as well, so can actually have collaboration and stuff like that. And this version which you are currently seeing here is the basic version. I did buy the upsell and stuff like that. I did not buy the upsell because there is going to be the reseller package. I can simply create the upsell version for myself, so I do not see a reason I need to buy the I do not need to buy the the upsell version. Okay, that's me trying to save a few bucks here and there. Okay, you can create these privacy policy pages and some custom pages. I believe you can do that with Member Factory as well. Okay, so this part is I'm not aware if Member Factory has this, but if they have questions, they can ask there, and you will actually get a notification if somebody asks any questions inside. And you can have different settings for different schools. One school, maybe it is a higher ticket, so you will want to receive notifications, email notifications when somebody asks a question. If it's a low ticket course, maybe we don't even want to be bothered with the questions. Yeah, it's entirely up to us. So here, I believe this is how you can completely change the language. Okay, this is what I did with Cecil. Inside a similar section in Member Factory, we change everything to French, and there she has it. Everything is French, no English in her entire course. This is some custom CSS code. I don't even know what is this, to be honest. There will be a place to place the tracking code, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel. It's not here. That's another part. Okay, custom HTML. Right. So there's, in terms of customization options, I think this is way more And I mean, the good thing is we don't even need to do that. I did none of that for my entire school, and I think it looks reasonable. So this is at the school level. uh, Courses, we'll look into it. uh, Sales, here's going to be the sales report, and who are the sales report for the school. Okay, there's going to be different reports for courses and school. Okay, let's just take a look at this before we go into the course section. So yeah, here I can say what is the school about. Okay, all reflective here. Okay, all of this. Okay, would you like to have a blog? Here. Okay, here is a notification where we can say, how much do you want to be notified. If this is a high ticket, we can just turn on a lot of notification. If it's low ticket, we don't want to be bothered, we can do so. Okay, so this is a email customization. If when somebody comments on a lecture, how are we going to be notified? Okay, there's going to be PayPal and Stripe in direct integration. Okay, so that's all for the school. If we go into the course, okay, so now the course is we're diving into this local business lead generation course. This I did not, I just removed the redundant. This just, it doesn't reflect my course content, just to put it out there. All right, so this is going to be the landing page. Okay, this is a sales page. The sales page, if we furnish it, actually I think it looks better compared to Member Factory in terms of the sales, the design, because here you can, okay, imagine this is a pitch video, why they should view the course. Okay, so it shows what are the modules, who are the instructors, and actually here we can do a lot to pitch ourselves, show them the payment plan. So it's pretty I mean, I believe the design is more intuitive than Member Factory, because Member Factory, when I buy as a student, have I feel very confused, like where should I go to access the course and stuff like that. But I did not have any problems when I used this, when I bought the course as a student just now. Right, so over here, what is the course about? Okay, here it has built-in affiliate commission. Member Factory actually requires the customer to buy Ally Heart, which I think you have that. So yeah, here you can immediately just have a affiliate system. Okay, let's just say fix. Okay, manually approve the affiliate. What is the percentage? Okay, what's the discount you want to give them? Okay, haven't set this up, to be honest. Okay, but it is there. Okay, so this is the part where it is a bit, they're trying to be as similar as Udemy as possible. It's just Udemy is a bit more intuitive, but once they know how to do it, it's pretty simple. You have a section, and under one section you can have a few lecture courses, a few videos. For me, it's just I mean, I try to keep it simple. Under every one section there's one video. Okay, but you can have a few things. In fact, you can have more than one component. You can have a video, you can have some if it's going to be something for them to read, copy, you can have a quiz. I don't know what is this for, add code, to be honest. Okay, but they can do some quiz to like help to see if they understand what is being taught. So they are just trying to be a Udemy clone. Udemy has all of these features. I can't remember if Member Factory have this. Okay, but yeah, that's that. So this is the how they upload their videos, courses. So subscription, they can choose it to be, is it going to be a free course, subscription basis, one-time basis, or can have a payment plan. I think this is very intuitive compared to Member Factory. Okay, integrations. You can choose the autoresponder. I linked it with my get response. Yeah, here's the place where we have the tracking, pixel tracking. Can choose the content to be drip feed. Okay, how often is it going to be? Here is the comments. They can go and check comments to be approved. Okay, so here they can go and check. Here you can create discount coupons to give out to people. Okay, and let's say you're going to do it a Black Friday coupon, you can just turn it on and off once Black Friday is over, right? What kind of discount, fixed or percentage? Here you can manage your students, who to kick out, who to add. They can actually bulk import a lot of students, so if you want to migrate from one platform to another, this will be an easy way. So once we put it in, everybody will get their welcome email. Their welcome email, yeah, this, they'll get that after the import. Okay, let me show. Yeah, they will get this email with a password and certificate. Okay, this is something new. Udemy don't even have this. So once actually this shocked me because this is their innovation. So somebody, they attend the course, they finish everything, they can be awarded a certificate, and you can actually customize it a little, choose a color, okay, choose a font, add some logo. Okay, so this program overview was this section. You can change it here. This is one of the oversight they have. These are the tools which they're supposed to cover. They really shouldn't write programming languages. Okay, so this is some additional features, but I wouldn't write programming languages if I wouldn't. Okay, so yeah, if there's going to be more than one instructor, I believe this is where they add it. They can have FAQ section. I believe it's going to be under here. Okay, testimonials of the course. Okay, so the difference between this and Member Factory is basically, I think they understand the selling, the marketing, the branding a bit better, because I think they have a lot of tools to help the instructor convince the customers, because they have all of these testimonials, FAQs, everything. It's available there. Okay, affiliates, manage your affiliates, see which affiliate is performing, what are the transactions. Yeah, so that's where all the options they have for the course. Overall, I guess I'm pretty satisfied with this. So it's I think this is superior to Member Factory, but then again, it's best we do more tests so we can compare. Yeah, but Member Factory, if we sell, we just get a commission. Here we sell, we can get full. So that's one value added. And I'm asking is it possible to clone the entire school for ourselves or share it with friends who bought? They should have this customer service where it just takes them a few buttons click if they would like to transfer an entire school which you set up. So it's like sort of a funnel transfer. It's not going to be as convenient as ClickFunnels. I don't think that is something that they will have, because like clone a funnel, copy a funnel, export a funnel, share the funnel, it's ClickFunnels unique selling proposition. I don't think other people are going to do that. But yeah, that's the basically the inside of all of this. Let me know what you would like to know, if it can or cannot do. You can go and explore. You can let me know. I can go and explore this. Okay, I don't even know why I saw this. Right. Yeah, and I guess that's all for this video.